Morning students, how are you? We can't go to school now for this pandemic situation. We have to face this. Besides, if we do not have continue our studies, the quality of education will be gradually lower. So I am your extra English miss going to start this online class. We know what is alphabet, right? The alphabet means the letters used in writing a language. The English alphabet consists of 26 letters of the English language from A to Z. Okay, and we also know that there are 26 letters in English. So these are articles. A. Before a noun which begins with a consonant, here we place A. Okay? Like a ball. Here we know that B is consonant. So here we place this A. See that A is a vowel sound. So here we place an. So when this is a vowel, here we place an, and when this is a consonant, here we place a. But sun, this is one and only particular object in this world. So here we place the. So when we refer to anything particular and when we refer to something certain, here we place the, like the sun, the Gita, the Mahabharata, etc. Imagine this is a table and this is a book. When this book is near to this table, we place this. But when the book is far from the table, we place that. But when many books near to this table, we place these. But when many books far from this table, we place those. Number, singular and plural number. Singular number, when we are talking about one animal, one apple, this is singular number. But when we are talking about more than one goat or more than one apple or place or animal or etc., these are plural numbers. When this is one box, this is only box. When there are many box, this called boxes. When this is one glass, it called glass. But when it is many, there are glasses. Branches. So when there are S, the last letter, CH or SH, we make it plural to add ES. Or when here O, we add only ES and make it plural. Nouns that end with Y with a consonant before it, we drop Y and add IES, like stories. Here Y, before Y we see that R. So this R is consonant. So stories. We drop Y and add IES. But for nouns that end in Y with a vowel before it, like O or E, we don't drop Y but add S, like boys. toy, toys. When the last letter is F or FE, this change into ES, VES.